going on? Welcome back for another video. Today I'll be hitting you guys with the radio install. I'm gonna be installing this radio in the 2008 Eclipse. So we got the dash kit and everything. Had to stop at Best Buy and get this wiring harness. And we got backup cam here also. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. I'm gonna start getting everything ready for that. And then the GoPro is charged today, so I'm gonna stick that in the car so get you a nice time lapse of that. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Whenever you're doing electrical work, you gotta make sure you unplug the battery.
And it's already unplugged.
It's already unplugged. I came in here so far.
You have to take the whole battery.
No. Got the cover plate off. Real easy. It didn't give me any hassle at all. Literally just pried right up. Go ahead and take these bad boys out. I have the impact, but stuff like this, I'd rather just use hand tools just so you don't strip anything out or break anything. So I'm gonna go back and switch to the GoPro so I can use both hands. So, got the radio in. Damien was supposed to be my camera guy, but he put the the camera down. But we got the radio in.
Bro, you know how they do on more. Say you are not the father, and then they start following.
We got the camera
I was messing with
all set up. First time doing a reverse camera, but ended up working out. It wasn't too bad.
Why don't you explain what you did?
For the radio install, right now me and Drew are gonna head to the gun range and go let off some steam there. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Peace. Fired about 30 into that one. I'm gonna take it back. Or I'm gonna keep it at 30. Keep it at 30 meters. See if I can get Drew to record this one. With the range of Andrew, I'm gonna shoot the MPX right now at 30 meters. I'm gonna watch Drew. How far are you at?
35.
I'm gonna go further. Alright. Go ahead.